Hello, my name is Tim. Today I wanted to talk about something called a quince tree. Now this is a quince tree. They're usually bushes. This one came with the property when we bought it 5 years ago, and I have no idea how old it was then. Quince is not something most people know about. It's small, it's hard, um, you don't see it in the groceries. It starts off as this tiny little fruit, as you can see, almost a white-green color, and as it matures it'll get about the size of a walnut and turn a yellow color. When they have blossoms, they look similar to an apple blossom, except they have a slight pink striping in them, and when they're closed, they're curled up in a very pretty little, uh, like cupcake shape. Very handsome. They do not smell that good. They don't smell good at all. But it's not egregious. Uh, when they mature, they don't always fall off the tree. You cannot eat them raw. They're too hard, they're too astringent, it's not a good idea. However, when you take these little fellas and you cook them, they're fantastic. In my opinion, they taste like a good crisp apple mixed with brown sugar. There are people out here who will disagree, and I respect their opinion. The leaf is fairly stiff, kind of waxy feeling. Um, you can buy them at some nurseries. Once again, this one came with my home, and it is enormous. It's the size of a shed. The fruit can be prolific. One of the issues that it does suffer from is codling moth, just like an apple tree. The codling moth will get on it, it will eat the leaves, and it will invade the fruit. You will see small little black holes on the fruit. That doesn't necessarily mean you can't eat the fruit, it just means that you're going to have to take time and cut them out. If you can find a quince bush or find someone who has some, I would really recommend trying them. When they're about ripe, they have a very wonderful smell to them that I can't really describe. It's kind of an apple smell, kind of a piney smell. It's very nice. And it's an old fruit that's not seen much and not done much with, but I find that quince preserves and quince jam and even quince applesauce, basically. It's quince sauce. You make applesauce with quince. What am I talking about? It's very good. The seeds, just like apples, look exactly the same. Once again, do not eat the seeds. But if you find them, I would say appreciate them. They're a very beautiful little flower and a very nice little fruit. If you'd like to know more, I'm sure there are other people who know more about it than me. So we'll see you next time.